Hello everyone. If you are currently using Dexcom G6 with Omnipod 5 and you want to switch it to Dexcom G7, then this video is going to guide you step by step using the latest working methods in 2026. Now, before switching, you need to confirm that your Omnipod 5 system is updated and it supports the Dexcom G7. You also need the new Omnipod 5 ports that support both G6 and G7. The older ports will not work in this case. Also, keep in mind that you must use the Dexcom G7 mobile application. The Dexcom receiver will not work with Omnipod 5. Now, this is where most of the people make mistakes. You need to first of all open the Dexcom G6 application or Omnipod controller. After that, you need to basically end the current sensor session. Do not just remove the sensor physically, you must end it digitally first. Then remove the G6 sensor and transmitter completely. You can't run G6 and G7 at the same time. Now, after doing this, simply install your Dexcom G7 sensor. For that, download the Dexcom G7 application and then log in here using your existing account. Now follow the setup instructions and make sure that the sensor is active and you are getting the readings. Only move forward once G7 is fully working. Now go to your Omnipod 5 controllers or app. In the settings, you just have to basically go to the CGM or sensors. Then simply look for the option of add CGM or new sensors. Afterwards, you need to simply select your Dexcom G7. Now you will have two pairing options. First will be of scanning a QR code or manually entering the pairing code and the serial number. So you can choose any one of these and then you can basically complete the pairing and wait. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.